This is a brand new 2014 Ford F-150. This truck has an automatic transmission, a 3.5-liter V6, and four-wheel drive. Its top features include a navigation system, a remote start feature, power-adjustable driver pedals, high-intensity headlights, a double wishbone independent front suspension, traction control and stability control systems, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: air conditioning with automatic climate control, a sliding rear window, side curtain airbags, automatic locking wheel hubs, an engine immobilizer theft deterrent system, an anti-lock braking system, heated side view mirrors, and an auxiliary power outlet. We invite you to contact us today to learn more about this vehicle.
Capital City Ford is located at 8623 East Washington Street in Indianapolis. Please stop by our location or visit us online at capcityford.com.